funny hiccup. Yes, I like that.
He does have hiccups, huh?
Yeah.
You saw the cell phone.
Where? Where? I don't know. What are you doing?
Kyla. Jeez. Kylie, scoot back. You're too close. Kyla, scoot back. She can't see you.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Don't, Kyla. It's enough.
He's like trying to get closer to you. Careful, boo, don't fall.
He has the hiccups.
Huh?
Oh!
Kyla.
You're so evil. Very good, but. Hmm.